Hello guys. So I will announce that what's our announcement for today. Let's see. And happy 600 subscriber. That's right, 600. Well, it became 601. So pretty advanced my channel, right? So the one who subscribed my channel, just shout out to them and shout out for them because they make the best videos and I comment them with respect and gratitude. And you wanna hear my Filipino voice, so here we go. So, salamat talaga sa pag-subscribe ng channel and suportahan mo ako sa susunod pag sinuscribe ninyo ako, well, talaga is gagawa ko ng video on the notification bell on ang lahat. So, thank you for and please support because kailangan ko to para sa aking studies and for family, for financially, but it's okay. Hindi ba I never talk about financially para maka-subscriber. Kaya kaya ako nag-join sa YouTube para express ko lang yung creations ko, content ko. Pero salamat sa nanonood, salamat. Well, pasensya na sa lahat. So, salamat talaga mag-subscribe because isang pagkakataon nagkaroon ako 600. So, kapag ako nagkaroon ng madaming subscriber, well, hindi ko sasabihin yung announcement kung kailan ako magpa-face reveal, pero gagawin ko ang makakaya ko sa channel. So, thank you and see you next time. God bless and happy 600 subscriber.